Good morning. Tired of always fighting and trying to figure out how to keep from losing all the little screws and stuff. Well, when you're working on something like ceiling fans, well, I have that solution for you. Something I found on Amazon. It's a Komkaer magnetic wristband. Man, I am loving this thing, especially like a ceiling fan with all these little screws and washers and what have you. I mean, they just, look at that. They're all right here now. So, some of these ceiling fans are just ridiculous with the crap they come. But anyway, I hate losing all these little parts. And so, let me get this in loose. And when I'm up on the ladder working on something, I also love magnetic screwdrivers. This is the old cheap Harbor Freight one that I magnetized just for this reason, because you're working, you got all these little screws and stuff, and they go every place. And if you lose them on the carpet, 9 times out of 10, they're the same color as carpet or floor. You can't get them. So this thing is handy as a shirt on a pocket. All my shirts have pockets on them, so kind of cool too, right? Some of y'all aren't as old as I am, and you don't remember those old comic books and stuff. In the back, they had ads for like the Atlas or Hercules wristband. It's kind of studded. I always wanted one of those when I was a kid because it looked cool. But so anyway, this has a cool factor to it. I don't know that it's going to help you get anything done any quicker, but it does help you not lose parts. I don't know if the cool factor will help you get things done faster, but this will. Comes on off of Velcro. If it fits my big old arm, it'll fit yours. Actually, these things are just handy. I don't know how many magnets there are, and it's pretty powerful. I mean it's holds. I tried it one day. There you go. You can see holding screwdriver. I tried it today with a pair of pliers, and it worked pretty good. Now my linemen's are pretty heavy, and it wouldn't hold those real great. I mean, it'll hold them, but you're not going to jump up and down. With them. So try one of these out. I found this on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. I think it was like, I don't know, 14, 15 bucks. One of the best ones. Let me get, so you can see. Sorry about all those little screws on there. And that may be reversed, but oh well. Hey, turn it upside down right now. So anyway, try one of these out. I think y'all really like it. This is handy, handy, handy. So anyway, appreciate it. And just thought I'd bring y'all this because it is pretty doggone cool. And my ceiling fan installs go a lot quicker with these now. Other day I was putting a cord on a dryer. Sorry about the noise, it's the flyboys practicing. And I lost dropped one of those little screws that goes into the back of the dryer, and it bounced across the floor right into the register, and the register went straight down. Needless to say, I had to go to make a special trip to the hardware store to find that little screw that would go in there. So if I'd had these, probably wouldn't have happened because I was trying to hold them all in my hand. So I'm still finding new uses for this. So anyway, y'all check it out. I think you'll like it. Grab you one off Amazon there, and let me know how you like it. Let me know how many uses you find for it. I just love these little parts. So anyway, hey Donald, Blue Collar DIY. Catch y'all down the road.